Okay, so we continue. And a couple things right here I want to work it is on this glass right now. And again, we have its sides, we had a front, back, and a side. So what I was interested in, it's a front, and we'll go ahead to the glass material for this. Okay, and in a glass material, we'll go to select again just smoke it or slightly smoke it glass. Okay, one on a back one, we'll go and select kind of more dark smoke it. Okay, let's preview. And you can see we can look through, so we probably want increase a little bit more of the kind of murkiness to this here, so it's more look like a glass. Again, we can work a little bit more on that glass after, but overall by adjusting these properties and just how to say adjusting this one as well, we can have a nice effect to that. Okay, so this is a glass. Let's go ahead now select the frame, and that one will be our wood what we created. Again, we'll just select plank wood. Okay, and we'll go to add layers. Okay, we have one layer already done for us, so I'm just going to delete moss layer from this, and dirt layer actually I want to create brighter, so it will be more like a dust almost looking. Let's preview. Okay, and now we select the frames. Okay, and the frames, let's select maybe something brighter, kind of plank wood. Again, I want to delete moss and slightly reduction on this one. Okay, so that is look about right. Okay, now let's go ahead, take our main camera, move it away, and just look on our house, see if we find a couple things wrong. Okay, again, so right now it's kind of look okay with all these materials we applied. What I want to do it is start baking together, put them together, and then we start a little bit more and more adjusting probably problems we'll find with some materials at that time. So right here we have it kind of glass adjusting. So let's do this one same, we'll replace just with some other glass as well. Okay, and again, this is front, this is our back glass. Couple things we can do, we can go in effect and pop up slightly luminosity. This is kind of interesting effect because it will create like almost lights coming from our glass, and we'll just drop down this way. Okay, as well we'll go to our normal glass and just make it a little bit more murky. Okay, so next we have it our bottom, so we'll select this way. Okay, this will be walls. Okay, you notice right now what I'm doing, I'm kind of selecting all these objects that I think I want to group together. So also what's happening now, I want to leave a door by itself. Okay, after this we'll go to bake them together, and after this we'll see how many we have it. So Control G, group together, and I'm going to bake to polygons. Here's a may become problem when we start baking to polygons. Let's come closer. some materials start stretching too much, or some applies kind of incorrectly. So the best way after this to come closer, start preview, and see if we anything pop up very visible to us. And it seems like it's actually come very good, so it doesn't affect, and we can go ahead and put as a building parts. Okay, we have our roofs, our door. I want to leave a door separate just in case you want to move or something else to do. Roof cover, we'll move this roof cover inside our roofs. Okay, we have it and we have it sides and other sides. So let's go ahead, group those together and bake them. Okay, you notice right here we have a slightly adjustment to our position. So if we look, but it won't be that big, so they kind of scale to each other, which is actually nice. But we can go ahead and modify if we need it. So we have this, and we have the walls. So right here, these two. Okay, let's group them together, but I don't want to bake. I just want to leave them like this and group together, and we have it. Okay, we created our object. Again, we spent quite a bit, not that extensive time to creating. You probably want to spend more time on tweaking of material. Be sure it's kind of work together with your model. But again, we're not yet done. So we'll continue just a second, do more stuff. So right here, a couple of things I want to adjust. I see the roof a little bit smaller shingles, so I want to apply it. The rest is look like okay. Right here, how it doesn't like how it's look. I probably won't even replace this object overall. If I go into details, because I see right here some normals breaking in this portion. So let's go ahead right now to the roofs. Okay, and side roof. Okay, right here. And I actually want to increase size for this. So let me go to edit right here, and we'll pop up to maybe 1.1 to 1.4. Okay, just this to 1. Okay, let's preview. So the scale is, it's almost up to there. So we'll just go ahead and add maybe 1 more points to this. Okay, there you go. Okay, so let's preview. Yeah, this is look same now, which is good. Okay, we have a nice planks right here. Scale on this top one, I don't like it right on those ones. So we'll go to building parts, and let's see when we hit this material. I think it's vertical wood, this one, because it's stretching to all of them. That is a reason why it doesn't come up very well. So we'll go on image now, scale, and go down till about 3. Okay, let's preview now. So let's have it a little bit better on a scale. Okay, but it starts stretching. So the stretching we needed on a Y. We'll go right here. Okay, let's preview. Yeah, it's become look nice now. And let's go ahead and add some dirt layer to this to smooth out, and bumps, yep, about right. So right here it's add way better smoothness. Again, this is very simple lighting. If we add lighting, the house will be excellent looking. So right now I think we're kind of done with this. So let's go ahead, right click and click on a save object. Okay, and you should save this object way many times before in different steps. So let's go ahead, we save our object. Right here we have a preview. In preview, if you right click with your mouse, you can actually position. You can also, if you click down control and right click, you can zoom in and out, so you can properly position your house in a way you want it. And when you're done, be sure it's render all the way preview, click OK, and now you can see your object is saving. So we have some polygons, we could work more around to reduce them, but again, this is some concepts of how we can creating. So now let's have some fun with this. So we'll have it placing our house, and what I want to do, I want to just place a little bit up right now. I'm going to create standard terrain. Okay, let me take my camera, move it a little bit on the side. Okay, on a standard terrain, I'm going to stretch slightly. So right here. Okay, next I'm taking my house. I will move and position just maybe around right here on the middle. Okay, also, you know what, let me change my material to some basic white, so it's okay. Now we go ahead, right click and edit object. So right here you can see my preview is enabled. Okay, and I have it my building. So to create correct to this terrain right here, for example, something blah, I'm going to add clipping areas, and I'm going to clip down to about this right here. Also, I have it to raise it, increase size, flow slightly, maybe a little bit more on the flow. Okay, and be sure invert. So if you're using Vue 9, will be slightly different. Vue 7 will be something similar, but overall it will be same thing. So you can notice right here, I'm start. Also be sure it's a clipping to range, so it's enable. On this case, when I'm start right now adding material, well, kind of working on terrain, you can see it's locked to that place where I want it. So my clipping area kind of control it. It doesn't let overgrow in areas. Okay, and right here, I want just go a little bit more right around these areas. Okay, let's add more right here, and also just slightly invert. Okay, I just don't like portion right here. I want to decrease. There you go. Okay, let's go here. Okay. So right here, I kind of set on the semi-hill my house. So we'll just create it. Okay, let's remove the clipping area off. Zoom out. Okay, we can go ahead and maybe add some material. Okay, to this. We can do this after. So when we select the material, okay, I'll remove clipping area. Let's click OK. Okay, we'll set our main camera. So right here you can see we already kind of set up our house and on the terrain. Okay, let's add a couple things to our terrain at this point. So I want to do it is change material, and I'm going to use something from GeekatPlay Mega Pack on it's available also cornucopia, so you can use it. So I will use my grass field. Okay, let me edit this one by cubicle. Okay, okay, right here, just reducing. Okay, next I want to add additional layer, and I'm going same things, just go to landscape, let's go to the ground, Okay, and we can find some interesting melting rock, example ground. We'll go environment, readjust. So let's see, just about that, probably right place. Okay, let's go to scale down. Okay, also increase this one slightly. Okay, so next what are we going to do? Maybe just add a few trees around, and just let's go have some forest trees kind of. Okay, go right there, plant it. Okay, let's find some other trees, maybe kind of dead type of the tree. There you go. That one will work. Okay, right here, we'll place them on a back. Okay, let's go to create couple backdrops. So in this one actually backdrop, what I'm going to do, just place it right here on a back. Okay, maybe stretching a little bit more this way. Okay, around right here. Okay, we also need to take ground and add to the ground scenery. Okay, we'll go, let me change this one as well. Okay, we'll go add ecosystem to this. So let's go add some plants, and we'll add a different type of plants. Again, right now it's kind of having fun, you know, we have all this hard work to work with this model. So let's do kind of see what we can have fun with this. Okay, plant. Okay, that will be kind of fun. Okay, also, you know what? Let's add one tree closer to here, maybe. So, and I'm going just select same the other. Okay, and we'll just place it somewhere right around there. Okay, and let's work a little bit on atmosphere. So on atmosphere, I want to go to ambient light more, have it desaturated color. We'll have it global adjust, so we have it a nice kind of coloring reply. Let's go ahead add a simple clouds, so our sky will look darker, and I'll go just simple dark cumulus clouds for this. Okay, I won't modify them at all. On a sky, I want to add a little bit more towards glowing and add quite a bit in aerial perspective as well. We'll just readjusting some options right here. So we'll add this kind of hazy look to our preview. So also let's, you know what, let's make haze a bit darker. Okay, we could add some moon to this to create a kind of look, but right now we just look for the model. And again, this is just some examples for you. You can experiment more to see what kind of look you can achieve it. So let's click OK, and we'll go now to final, and let's see how our work will look inside the view. Okay, so right here you can see our final image we render. Of course, couple things we need can rework, like right here glass, I needed increase opacity so we don't see wood, maybe add glowing, so like lights, and a couple other things. But overall, here's our model that we design, and we model inside the hexagon, we texture inside the view. Okay, I encourage you to try to create your own models and see what you come up with. Thank you for watching these tutorials from GeekatPlay Studio, and please remember visit us on the web is www.geekatplay.com.